You're going to go to that place where you tutor kids?
Yes,
also?
yes. Half past 12.
Oh.
So now, when you have this, when you have the trap was the applied force, let me explain that. First thing first, calculate friction. What do you do? I need you to listen very carefully. To calculate friction, you're going to first write the formula for friction. So frictional force is equals to UK times what?
N.
The normal force.
Yes.
Thank you. So now you check on the given data. Do I have the coefficient of friction? Yes. I have this. Do I have normal force? No. What is next? Calculate normal force, do the substitution, then you are done. Simple. How do we calculate normal force if the force is applied and is pulled at an angle? First thing first, we draw our components. We know that since it's pulled, the Fx will go in that direction and we're going to have the Fy going up. You understand? But remember, I told you not to stress. I said that if it is pulled, just know that the normal force is Fg minus Fy, which is mg minus Fa, the sine of theta. You still remember that?
Yes, I do.
Find your normal force by doing the substitution.
Ish.
What is the applied force? 100. What is this angle? 30. So tell me, what do you get when you substitute that on your...
Okay, so I'm calculating now. I get 440.
440. So the normal force is 440 newtons. So this will give us F to be equal to the coefficient of 0.1 multiplied by 440. Can you see how easy this question was?
Which is going to be 44.
44. This proves our what? Our theory. Remember, the fraction is always less than what? The applied force.
Sure.
And that's it. This is how you calculate the frictional force. This is the frictional force if it is pulled at an angle. So what I did is that I showed you how to calculate the normal force if the force is pulled at an angle. Then now I wanted to check if you can use that, whatever that I teach you, to calculate friction. That's what I was.
Okay, so Sonny, to conclude, I need to understand that if the applied force is either pulled or pushed, then I shall be using the this formula of minusing the components, either the vertical or the vertical components, to calculate my Fn.
Exactly.
Okay.
That's how.
And then the horizontal external forces like the F of x does not impact.
No. The horizontal, no.
So I will just not even look at the F of x in this situation.
Exactly.
Because it's either pulled. But if the applied force was horizontal, then I would have used the F net is equal to 0.
You got that.
It was not.
You got that right.
Okay, sir.
100%. And that's it for this problem.